In this video, I'll show you how to verify your Trust Wallet account and what that really means. First, there is no KYC, no ID check on Trust Wallet. So instead of verifying an account, you need to verify that you're using the real app and secure settings. Open Trust Wallet and go to Settings. Here, make sure you've backed up your recovery phrase under Wallet's arrow 3 dots, arrow Show Recovery Phrase, and stored it safely offline. This is what proves you own the wallet. Next, in Settings arrow Security, turn on options like App Lock, Passcode, and Biometric Login if your phone supports it. This helps protect your wallet from anyone who gets access to your phone. Finally, remember, any website, bot, or person asking you to verify your Trust Wallet by typing your 12 words is a scam. You never need to share that phrase with anyone to stay verified or active. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.